Captured in a photograph. Remember how we used to sit in the lines? Yeah, oh. And I can hear you laugh it off. You always said mistakes I left in the past. Spells out your name, yeah. You said you had to change your heart, that Albany just left you all the same. I could see enough to know you're better off, but sometimes it hits you when it's gone. And all night I stare into that same light, reinventing your life. I wonder where we'd be if nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame. Would we hold our ground if nothing would have changed? Would you take my name, stay here through the rain? Would we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Could we hold our ground? Side, parallel to our life, dreaming of a place to hide and find you in another time. Up it comes and down it goes, seeds will die before they grow. If nothing would have changed, if we'd have stayed the same, never killed the flame, would we hold our ground? If nothing would have changed, would you take my name? Photograph. Do you remember how we used to sit in the pines?
Story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. tear my world apart. 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'd be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head. And I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart. And it's the only way to start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in.
I let you through the first mistake. I follow every move you make. But I'm not sure if what I do is wrong. You're someone that I need to see. Fade into a memory. It's an obsession that is much too strong. I know that I said I have never been wrong, but we stopped talking long ago. I know that I'm lost, but I'm not moving on. Something between us still feels strong. I want you to know that with you I feel whole. And if this could last forever, I wouldn't have any other way. I want you to know that with you I'm never cold. Can we spend this life together? Any other way.
Memories all I got, like an afterthought. What we felt and said